Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use RedNote. It is basically the new TikTok, really easy and simple to use this, but first things first, what you're going to mainly do is you want to go ahead and verify your account. So come here at the bottom right and click on Me, then click on the settings card, and then go to account settings right here. And you want to click on mobile, and then you want to go ahead and verify your account. Because if you do not do that, you'll not be able to do a lot of stuff. For example, you'll not be able to post, change your profile photo, and add bios and things like that. You'll only be able to come here and view things. But if that's what you're only interested in, then don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do that as well. Now, this is the Explore page right here. Click on Explore. So we have a For You page based on the algorithm and based on things you might have watched. And then you have other, basically, genres you can come and click on. Maybe you're interested in gaming or cartoons or outdoors. Come choose those. Or if you want to watch live videos, come here and click on Live. And then you'll see a bunch of live videos that are currently happening right here. You can go ahead and view those. And if you want, you have already followed people, you come and click on follow. This is basically like your subscriptions or follow feed, okay? And if you click on nearby, you'll basically be able to see people who have posted on RedNote from the location near you. Of course, for this, you have to turn on your location settings, right? Now, let me go back to Shop. Come click on Shop. This is the shopping page on RedNote. They have actually a shopping page. You can come here and buy things. They have really good prices. And if you want, if you click on this right here, you can basically use your virtual AI avatar and try these products on yourself. It's one cool thing you can do. This is the message section. So you will see if people have messaged you, you can come here and see those. You can see likes, you can see comments, new followers. This message feed is basically also notifications. And here, guys, if you did not know, you can also join groups. Come here at the top right, click on more groups. You can, of course, form your own group. And you can set a group name, introduction, and location, other things like that. Maybe a profile photo. Or what you can do is you can join other people's groups. So you can find a group square right here. You can go ahead and scroll down and look for groups you want to join. And let's say I want to join this one right here. I can come here and basically request to join this group. Okay. Click on join. And then you can add a membership question. Let me in. I'll say let me in. I'll just put that there. If they do let me in, well and good. I have applied for that. Okay, let's go back. Now let's go back to home and I'll click on the top left, those three horizontal lines. Now you can see this option right here that says discover friends. Okay, here you can discover people basically that are in your contact, or maybe people they're recommending to you. You can go ahead and check that out. You can, of course, add people using a QR code. So if I come here and click on QR code, this is my ID, by the way, guys. If you just go ahead and scan this, you can add me on RedNote. So I can save this and send it to other people. Okay. Or you can come here, click on scan and scan another person's RedNote profile. Now, what you can also do is you can come here and check out your orders you have made on RedNote and cart. These features are currently not available in my regions. That will not open up for me. They also have a creator center, which is not available yet for me. So what you can do now is come here and click on the bottom right. Click on me. This is your profile icon. Now here is your profile. You can set this up really easily. First things first, though, you have to make sure you have verified your phone number. Otherwise, you cannot do such things, okay? You just click on your profile. Now here, you can put in your display username right here. You can come here and change it once every 7 days. You can change that, click on save. Same with a bio, but this one you can change it at least 3 times every 7 days. You can change your gender. You can change your... Okay, you can choose to display your gender or not. You can add a birthday, job. Basically, update your profile. Come here, you can go ahead and change your profile picture. If I tap on that, I've reached the maximum limit right now. I did change it quite a few times. Then you can also change your background photo. So let me go back. And now that is how to do your profile. And if you want to know how to post, all you're going to do is click on the plus icon here at the bottom. Click on this. Now I can post, let's say, a photo. I'm going to post a photo. Let's do this. I was playing Block Blast, so I'm going to go ahead and post that. Click on next. And if you want, you can add text. Right here, you can add a caption, of course. Hello. If you want, you can get rid of that Chinese part, but we can keep that in. That's okay. You can change the style as well, by the way, guys. And you can add stickers. They have stickers you can add. You can add music. They have inbuilt music feature. You can add filters if you want. You can, of course, change it. You can increase the strength of those filters. You can go ahead and crop this. I don't want that ad right there. So let me crop it like that. I'm happy with that. Okay, there's also more features. They have a really good inbuilt, editor feature. They have templates, and you can change your canvas. A lot of things you can go out and mess around with. You can, of course, come here and choose music as well. I'm just going to go ahead and press next. Now it's processing for me. Here we go, guys. I have added a title and a description, and you can go ahead and save the draft or preview it before you go ahead and post this. I'm happy with this, so I'm just going to go ahead and press on post. And this will be updated on your profile. Really that easy and simple, guys. And that is the full guide on how to use RedNote. Good luck.